Large enterprises constantly accumulate multiple and different types or domains of data, such as legal entities, natural persons, products, and securities. And for data management professionals, it's a constant challenge to manage these different data domains and their associated attributes, identifier types, and relationships. In this example, we'll be looking at the Ford Motor Company organizational structure and related natural persons associations. Performing a legal entity domain search for Ford Motor will yield results across all legal entities in the system. Let's take a look at the first result. Clicking the view details, we are presented with the hierarchy structure of Ford Motor Company. Scrolling through the complex hierarchy, we can see all legal entities and relationship types that Ford Motor Company has with its subsidiaries. Now, let's look at the natural person domain. The data in this domain is not legal entity and subsidiary data, but instead data attributes on people, who could be CEOs, board members, or shareholders as an example. This domain will also display any related legal entities this natural person could be associated to and in what capacity. For this example, let's perform a search on Henry Ford. Viewing the details of Mr. Ford, we can see his associations to other legal entities. Here we see that Mr. Ford is on the board of directors for Operation Hope, Henry Ford College, and Ford Museum, as well on the corporate strategy team for Ford Motor Company. Let's pretend Mr. Ford was just recently promoted to CEO of Ford Motor Company. Additionally, to help focus his time, he is relinquishing his board position with Operation Hope. Let's update the system to reflect these changes. First, we will edit the association with Ford Motor Company. Clicking the pencil icon, we can now update this association for Mr. Ford. Next, we can remove the association to Operation Hope by clicking the Remove icon. After processing this, we now see Mr. Ford's updated associations. The Kingland EDM platform suite relieves the burden of managing different types of data, and organizations can finally have a single source of truth by connecting people, applications, and processes with reliable data and analytics.